In this circuit, we are using a solar power system with an MPPT output for maximum efficiency. The solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into DC electricity. This DC power is sent to the MPPT charge controller. Unlike a regular charge controller, the MPPT intelligently adjusts voltage and current to extract the maximum possible power from the solar panels, even in varying sunlight conditions. From the MPPT controller, power flows into the battery bank for storage. This allows you to have energy available even when the sun is not shining, such as at night or on cloudy days. The stored energy in the battery can then be connected to a DC load directly, or sent through an inverter to power AC appliances like fans, lights, and other household devices. By using the MPPT output, you ensure higher efficiency, longer battery life, and more stable power supply. This type of system is ideal for homes, small businesses, and off-grid applications where every watt of solar power matters. In summary, the MPPT-based solar power system provides reliable, efficient, and sustainable energy for your needs.